Um, I am doing this video to tell you that I'm doing a fundraiser for World Central Kitchen by selling access to two of my Instant Pot classes, the Chili Night with your Instant Pot class and the Instant Pot Desserts class. So if you know anything about me, then you know that I work as a cook for Minnesota Central Kitchen at Chowgirls Catering in Northeast Minneapolis. And that work, Minnesota Central Kitchen, is modeled after the work of Chef Jose Andres in World Central Kitchen, which is currently on the ground in and around Ukraine, providing hot meals for displaced people. And so I want to do a fundraiser for World Central Kitchen, pardon me, because I know from the work that I have done that it's really meaningful and food matters and people do better when they have a hot meal. So I'm doing a fundraiser and I am doing that. So you pay $15 to me through PayPal or Venmo or whatever else. There's a button on my website. And I will send you within 24 hours because I'm not cool enough to have this figured out how to instantaneously boop it over to you. But within 24 hours, I will send to you the link to the recording of the class and the recipe handout for the class that you order. And then whatever PayPal sends me, if it's $15 or if you do the friends and family option, or if it's, 13 or 14 something and change, if you do the PayPal goods and services option, either way, whatever they send me, at the end of the month, I will total it up and donate that to World Central Kitchen, all of the money, because I don't need the money. I have all of the cameras and stuff that my husband, my gaffer, bought to upgrade my classes last month. I have earned that back in what I've been teaching so far this year. I've got heat, I've got electricity, I've got food in the freezer, I have clean water coming out of the tap. I don't need anything more. So everything that I'm going to get from PayPal, I will boop along to World Central Kitchen. And I'm going to keep this fundraiser up for several months. I would like to say that I'm going to do it until Putin is out of Ukraine and Ukraine is back to not suffering, but that's just not going to happen anytime soon. So I'm going to say through the end of June. World Central Kitchen will use this money wherever there is a need. They go to natural disasters. They go to man-created disasters. And it's a really good organization and I believe in it. And so if you would like to make your donation and get something in return, like I got this t-shirt from Katie Spain. If you'd like to donate something and get something in return, $15 for a class. If you want to buy two classes, up to you. What are the classes? I didn't even tell you. So the chili night class is, I'm going to demonstrate an easy weeknight chili. This is a New York Times recipe from Melissa Clark. You could use pork or beef or ground plant-based meat. It's your basic tomato and bean chili. And then I've got a turkey verde chili from Bruce Weinstein and Mark Scarborough's recipe book, Instant Pot Bible. And that is your no bean and no tomato kind of a chili. And it makes, actually, the leftovers make a great brunch bake too. And then along with that, I have the chili accoutrements, baked potatoes, loaded cornbread, all made in an Instant Pot. I've got a vegan and gluten-free quinoa chili also in there using zucchini. Surprising, but good. And then for the desserts class, it's creme brulee, cheesecake, upside down summer berry cake, which is a great recipe to have in the summertime when you don't want to turn on your oven because you can cook it in your Instant Pot. And chocolate chip bundt cake. Also in the handout, there are some additional recipes that I don't go over during class other than in photos. But there's a lot of recipes. So you may be learning something from that you may not know already in your pressure cooking repertoire. And I'll give you access to the video and the recipe handout for your donation to World Central Kitchen through PayPal. Thank you.